Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get BlueStack 5 in Windows 11. So you can install this BlueStack for playing Android games in your Windows PC. So here, in order to get this application, you can go to the bluestack.com. This is the official website of BlueStack by now.gg. And here you can play Android games on PC, Mac, or try instantly from this BlueStack cloud. So here, in order to get this BlueStack, you can just click download button, and here you can cancel this in order to get more version by click support. And here we go. So there is a BlueStacks X or 10, the world's first app player enhanced by an AI-based hybrid cloud technology. BlueStack 5, BlueStack Air for Mac if you use a Macintosh, and BlueStack 4. So this is the older version. So here I installed this BlueStack 5 version. So you just click to download BlueStack 5, and you can download a specific version based on your need. So you can choose for Windows 11, optimized for Windows 11. You can choose Nougat for 32-bit or 64-bit, or the 64-bit or Android Pie or Android 11 64-bit. And this is for Mac OS, and this is Nougat 32-bit for BlueStack 4 and Nougat 64 for BlueStack 4. And here I recommend you to download the BlueStack 5 with the latest version of Android. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.